The potential for drones to shape the future of warfare between the United States and China cannot be overstated. As both nations continue to advance their drone technologies, these unmanned systems could become pivotal in any ensuing conflict. The development of drone swarms, in particular, is set to revolutionize military engagements, offering a glimpse into a future where traditional battleships and fighter jets may give way to coordinated fleets of AI-enabled drones. In the event of a US-China war, drones would likely play a significant role in intelligence, surveillance, and target acquisition. Their ability to operate autonomously and penetrate enemy defenses without risking human lives makes them invaluable assets. China's advancements in drone technology, especially the UUV-300CB, reflect a strategic emphasis on enhancing their military capabilities with cost-effective and efficient drone deployments. The rise of drone swarms, a concept that has been gaining traction, could transform any future conflict between the superpowers. These swarms would operate like a hive mind, with each drone communicating and collaborating to fulfill various roles such as command, reconnaissance, tracking, and even launching attacks. The agility and adaptability of drone swarms would enable them to execute complex missions and respond to dynamic combat environments. Moreover, the use of drones in large numbers could be particularly decisive in scenarios like the Taiwan Strait, where they could be employed for surveillance, to confuse air defenses, and for direct attack purposes. The People's Liberation Army, PLA, may also utilize drones for mine clearance and resupply operations, further enhancing their tactical flexibility. The global military UAV market is expected to grow significantly, indicating a broader trend towards the militarization of drone technology. This growth is fueled by the strategic competition between the US and China, as both nations seek to outpace each other in developing swarming capabilities. The implications of this arms race extend beyond the two countries, potentially leading to a proliferation of drone technologies that could fall into the hands of rogue nations and non-state actors. As we consider the future of US-China relations, it is clear that drones will not only be tools of war but also instruments of deterrence and power projection. Their development and deployment will likely influence geopolitical dynamics, making them a critical factor in the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond.